creatives. So I think probably some of our friends who are interested to build something new, what can I do here? So that I can show you some of the other products, what are available, not just the image creation or the other. So probably this is one that I wanted to show it in the next 5-10 minutes. I thought of showing more, but due to the time constraint, I cannot show it. Let me shift to my different screen for a minute. Tell me you guys can see this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So sometime back, I was thinking I gotta create this script for our what do you call welcome thing. I said, okay, let me see whether I can do something creative. So what I said is, see this, I'm going to show you how I have done it. You can always do this one yourself. I said, okay, here is the thing. Hey, I'm running a session, simplifying this. I wanted you to write a script for me. Boom. It created a text script. Good evening, blah, 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 all that thing. This is too much. When you put it, probably it will take 3-4 minutes. Probably all of you would not have even understood what I'm trying to do. Okay. Then I said, make it just 4 to 5 lines. And then it created this. Okay. So there is another tool which will take the text and converts it into the voice. And that tool is called as a ElevenLabs. I am familiar with this, and there are many others that are there. But what you can do here in the ElevenLabs, again, this is a paid version. There is some days it is, I think 7 days are free or something like that. You can always think about it. So you can use the ElevenLabs and you can do many things. You can do text to speech to speech conversion, and you can create the models. For example, you can create a model here which will say, I created a sample Shah Rukh Khan, what do you call, voice. Be cautious because not all of these things are accepted by everyone. Example, if you are using anybody's voice, you needed their authorization. Okay. Now, I don't have an authorization of Shah Rukh Khan, so I took something that is there on the YouTube and then I said, okay, I'm going to use it to build this and then just to showcase the skills, how it can be done. Okay. Now, this is another problem this country is going to face because we are in the election year. You might see hundreds of videos that will mimic maybe Joe Biden talking or Trump talking or somebody else is talking. You cannot see the difference. Absolutely, you cannot see the difference. I took only half a day for building this because I did not know how to do it. I got to find the best. Now, knowing what it is, all I needed is 10 minutes to half an hour. Like, for example, this is Amitabh Bachchan's. I took a text from the voice from the YouTube and then dropped it here and then said create one. Okay. Or you can always use some of the existing ones. They have the voice library. You can always pick whatever the one. So when you select that, okay, let's say I'm going back to this one, text to speech. Okay. I took that text. Remember, I showed you the one earlier. I built the text and then I took that text here and then I said, create a voice for that one. When I generated, I got a voice, uh, something like this. Okay. ElevenLabs. Now, when I play this one, it's just a voice, but I wanted to make it a little more fun. I said, okay, let's build the actual video. So here is the other tool that I use, D-ID. So when I say create video, I can simply use any image I wanted here. I can pick any of these things. I can add my own. and then I can add the script here, or I can as well bring the audio here. If it is just the script, probably I would not have matched to the Shah Rukh Khan's thing. But couple of other videos I have created. For example, there was one I have created for a welcome thing like this guy has there. So I don't need a Shah Rukh Khan voice for that guy. I can drop in with a hey, happy new year kind of a thing with this guy, and then it was available. So once I did that and I said generate the video, I got the video. So it is as simple as that. From here to here, it took only 15 minutes. I finished my dog walking, came back, and I was talking, and I said, let me do this one, and then I was able to do it. If I only spent 15 minutes to build this, think about it. If I have an intent to create something with some focused attention, I can do this much better. Much better in the sense that I have created many such things. Some of you probably have seen it, some may not. For example, I've created one, Sunita's birthday was there, and then I've created one, or beyond that one, I created one for a storyline. I created what is called as a Azure Jewels. Then I said, here is the uh, two kids who are on a journey. Then I was able to create some images from the what do you call the chat GPT itself, and then brought those images and then stitched together and then created a video. Okay. Now I know you guys said the voice won't come here, so let me just check for a minute and then see whether I can build the voice there for a minute. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, hopefully this time you're going to see the video with the voice, but if not, I'll give the link later on. You guys can look at it. It says that voice will come, but let's see. Can you guys hear it?
No.
So I'll send the link, but basically it has the images, it has the voice, and hey, my simple project, I was able to showcase that I can do a movie. Now think about it. If I'm working for an advertising company, I need to build an advertising video for them. I can do this one. Or I needed to create a family story. Yeah, I can do this. That's my small project, but your creativity is what you can implement here. Okay. So that's very simple for the creatives. Again, I'm giving you very limited information on that because I want to pivot towards the business people as well as the development activity. But I'm saying this can be used for many things. Okay. Okay. Now let me shift back to my business side of the thing. Okay. Again, we're back onto the PowerPoint. So some of those things that I showed you, I know I didn't show